Here we go, Hobbybox604, back with another group break. This is group break 425. You took your knife? Why?
Look. You got a blade right there.
Double box of Ultimate Upper Deck Ultimate Collection, last year's and this year's.
Okay, Ricky, it's your job.
This was a team random, $10 a spot.
Last time.
Our 13-14 is box number 516.
He's going to want to come off for the ride, but this ride could very easily be like Rose McGowan's in Desperate.
Can I get another Tarasenko? Yeah, it is in here, isn't it?
This one's going to end quick. At least this year's will end quick.
How bad is this going to get for him?
We have a base card for the LA Kings, number 136 of 499, Jonathan Quick.
Not a huge fan of multi-way leads, pretty much ever, but even less so a top pair. It's very dry board, so Sam's probably going to just call.
We have a rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, number 97 of 499, Ryan Stanton. Yeah. A redo, right? I wish. For the Boston Bruins, ultimate signatures of Brad Marchand.
God, I don't even want it.
And for the Minnesota Wild, number 39 of 75, a dual jersey ultimate rookie. Matt Dumba and Jonas Brodin.
That Boston, Minnesota are mine.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice. Our 14-15 box is number 412.
Not the best run out for aces. But Sam probably can still value that list.
3.3 million chip off. So let's bet $1,375,000.
And Sam's getting a good call to make this call, but he's only beating
There you go,
balls.
there's a Columbus.
Yay! I hit.
And Sam's bluffing there last
For the
time.
Columbus Blue Jackets, number 129 of 299, base of Sergei Bobrovsky.
He adds 3.3
Not bad.
million
Number
to
200 of 299 for the Washington Capitals, ultimate rookie of Evgeny Kuznetsov.
Meanwhile, Darto and Popover in the danger zone. Danger zone. Popover short snap.
Thanks, Domi.
You know, the very fact you call on that shows me they're not ready.
We have an ultimate signature. Nice. For the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan.
Nice.
Is that yours? I thought it was Goudreau for a second.
I was ready to pull the press
Yeah.
Monahan's just as good.
His shots were
Yeah, but Goudreau would have been rookie.
I like
Yeah, Monahan.
Candy jumpers. There's actually a flavor strip in there. Candy jumpers. Yum.
He folds.
Ooh.
As do Ensign
Ooh,
and Darto.
wow.
Shapovalov.
Number 14 of 15. Memorable material, jersey, patch, and stick for the Stinky Leafs.
Told you.
Phil Kessel and Jonathan Bernier.
Told you, man. Police are gonna hit.
Whose is it?
His.
Oh, yours?
Dang, it's
Nice hit.
See what I got in that case here?
Look at that patch.
There we go.
Dude, turn the cards over first.
For the Stinky Leaf.
Popov gets the bad news.
For the Boston Bruins, rare materials, number 44 of 99, David Krejci.
Sam doesn't know
Johnson.
literally his English is spotty.
Popov at risk. Looking for an ace. Also
I think
space.
it's St. Louis card.
And the final card is for Minnesota.
That's mine.
Ultimate signatures, Mikhail Granlund. Wow.
I have 4 cards.
Andy got 4 of the 7 cards, or 8 cards.
And Popov drawing down.
There you go, guys. Group break number 425
Alright, man. We'll
is
see ya.
in the
Like
books.
we fixed something, hopefully.
We will
Yeah, I'll see you next
see you
Sunday.
guys.
Yeah, next time.
See you next
I
time.
gotta roll, man.
You are? Okay.